Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the cocktail stations combination units. As we can see right here, they come with the three pieces of the parts. This for the 12 inches of the bottle racks. They're having 6 stage right here. And this one is 12 inches also for the blender stations. They come in with the water faucets, sinks, and the holders for put the blender right here. And the ice beam working stations, they come in with the plastic trays. You can just put extra bottles right here. And the racks at the front, you can hold any extra the bottle drinks right here too, and put ice in this 24 inches sinks. So as we can see the units, let's make a measurements for you guys. The entirety of the unit is about like a 4 feet, 48 inches wide. And the depth of the units will be 29 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches. Also, as we can see, the units are having all the NSF sanitation stickers on top left of the units. And they're having plastic covers on top of it. You can just remove these white covers when you're receiving them. You will see the real metal colors. They are made all by stainless steels. So that's what be all the information about our demonstrations. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.